Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, locate calendar and click on it. Now tap on the month above over here and select a date, for example that one. When you're done, click at the bottom right corner on the plus icon and select event. Over here you can customize your event, for example by adding a title, setting up starting hour, ending one, choosing location, adding notifications, minutes, hours or even weeks before, clicking done, taking notes and many other things. When you're done you can click save at the top right corner, and now as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to delete it, click on it, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of it and select delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!